Hi everyone, welcome to Simply Utsana. We are still here in Mazatlan, Mexico. Today I will show you the junior suite at Pueblo Bonito Emerald Bay Resort. When you come in, there's the kitchen with the microwave, stove, and sink. Well, it's all-inclusive resort, maybe you don't need that. First, the bathroom. There's separate bathroom and the toilet. A lot of light and toiletries. The floor is heated. It's really nice touch and feels so good. The first closet had plenty of the hanger, iron board, and the iron. This side has a safe and a shelf to store your stuff. A flat screen TV, 2 queen side beds, kitchen table and balcony with a garden view and overlook Pacific Ocean. Pueblo Bonito Emerald Bay Resort is an all-inclusive 4-star resort with a great location, great service, and great food. Come check it out if you have a chance. Thanks for watching. See you next time.